Hi, I want to present the Knime converter. I prepare this for normalized data arriving from anywhere, prepare them to be imported in Knime. So we have to see now rapidly a conversion of something else. I want to do this first in Eurostat, and I prepare one emission container. I insert all the information in here for the container, and I insert the new one. So now I have this position where I have Eurostat Euro EU 28 in 2015. So I want to import data from where? From this. I go to the converter of XLS. They present this page is used only if not enough information is happened. So I open the file. The file is this. I select the year. I start the conversion. Now I have converted all the data, and here I have the total amount with the detail function. So some information is not possible to have, so I have to edit this information. I select that, update, and I make the transformation. I say full data set, RAV data, and confirm, and select the next one. Yes, this RAV data, and so, and I continue for all I need. I have to prepare everything for the result. In the way all this information can be in my report. So now I terminate to adjust this report. I go to print this report, prepare the file to import to Knime. I go to write to file, deselect all this information. I need only this one. I add. I can make this type of report. and I can do for Knime report. And that's it all. I can save this file and use in Knime. And that is more or less all the work. Of course, you can insert, delete, update all the information of any of this report. From any report you can insert new data, delete some not interested. From here you can select and delete the data, clear all the report and make any change you want. You can define a group name you want to use. You can import from a Euro system all the code for all the Fluel with this. You can select the special application, the indicator for what is the application, insert the Fluel technology to use in the thing, and this is the no list, the magic. In here I record all the code coming from all the import file, and the first time I have to work a lot to insert all this information, but then automatically it takes this information and put in the file. So you can add, insert, delete, do any kind of editing. And that is all I can explain.